He ran quickly again, this time to a shrine, to which people seemed to be a crowding every little inch of space. Here was a congested with man, but he ran through people's leg, his little sob lingering. Mother, father, the word shrine means a place that is important to a particular person or group of people for religious reason. We can say temple. The word sob means to cry while taking in sudden, sharp breaths, to speaking while you are crying. Now in this time the boy ran quickly towards the shrine where that lot of people were there wandering here and there, and there is a place where is a crowding. There is a not a even space of inch to stand. That area is so congested, but the boy ran through the people's leg, his little sob lingering. Mother, father, only he is calling to his father and mother. He is calling his parents in a sob lingering voice near the entrance to the temple. However, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled each other, heavy men with flashing, murderous eyes and heavy shoulders. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements, he might have been trampled underfoot had he not screamed at the highest pitch of his voice, "Father, mother!" The boy ran towards a temple which was crowded with people. He ran through the legs of men, calling out of his parents. The crowd was pushing each other as he neared the entrance of the temple. The boy got scared of huge strong men who stared people with their murderous eyes and pushed them with their strong and big shoulders. The boy could have been crushed under the feet of men had his cries not been heard by a man in the crowd. The man lifted the child up in his arms. "How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you?" the man asked as he stared off the mass. Here that man was asking to the boy who have lifted up in his arms, "How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? How you came here? There is a too much lot of crowd were there. How you came here? Whose baby you are? Where is your father, mother?" the man was asking to the child. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, "I want my mother, I want my father." Now the boy also started the loudly he cried, and he is weeping in this time. He is asking, "I want my father, I want my mother." The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. "Will you have a ride on the horse?" The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. The man took the boy near the roundabout that the boy should calm down and he should stop weeping and crying. "Will you have a ride on the horse?" he gently asked as he approached the ring. When the man and the boy reached near the ring and he asked to the boy, "Will you ride on the horse?" the child's throat tore into a thousand shrill sobs and he only shouted, "I want my mother, I want my father." Here the again boy started sudden crying and weeping more bitterly or loudly, "I want my father, I want my mother."